Hey, I'm Steve, and if you are looking for recyclable flatware that's good for every occasion, you may want to check out this 300-piece Earthclusive compostable wooden cutlery set. You know, the good thing is this can be used anywhere that plastic ware is used, and you don't have to worry about filling up landfills with plastic. These are totally 100% compostable. Now this company, they do make the claim that they plant one tree for every set of these that they sell. This set includes 150 forks, 100 spoons, and 50 knives. The set is 100% wood, and you actually can hand wash them and reuse them. If you're looking to be more earth friendly, you may find a great interest in these. I think it's a great idea. So I'm going to close out the rest of this video just showing you some close-ups of this product in case you are thinking about making a purchase. I hope you found it helpful.